In tropical growing regions, the journey of every cashew kernel begins beneath the spreading canopy of the cashew tree.
Attached beneath each cashew apple hangs the true treasure, the kidney-shaped cashew nut.
Harvesting begins as workers gather naturally matured fruits from the ground. Each nut is carefully detached before further processing can begin. Freshly harvested nuts undergo preliminary drying to reduce moisture.
Controlled drying helps preserve quality during storage and transport.
The dried harvest now begins its journey toward industrial processing facilities.
At the processing plant, precision and efficiency transform raw harvests into premium food products.
Every incoming shipment is documented and inspected. Thousands of kilograms arrive daily for processing.
Quality assessment begins before production approval.
Automated handling systems reduce contamination risks.
Proper storage ensures stable processing conditions.
Digital systems track every batch throughout production.
Before shelling, the nuts undergo controlled steaming.
Heat softens shell structures while protecting kernels. Precise temperatures ensure consistent results. Industrial automation controls every stage. Steaming also reduces risks from shell oils.
Controlled cooling stabilizes the shell.
The nuts are now ready for separation.
Shelling is among the most delicate stages. Equipment must remove shells without damaging kernels. Modern plants achieve remarkable efficiency. Human oversight remains essential. Next comes drying and peeling. From factory floor to global logistics networks.
Orders are assembled for international markets.
Millions of kernels begin journeys across oceans.
Global trade connects producers with consumers worldwide.
Processed cashews reach supermarkets and food manufacturers.
Behind every handful lies an extraordinary industrial process.